Hey guys, welcome back to the Code Studio. Today we will start with our OOP Object Oriented Programming with Java series. This series would be a crash course for beginners. This video will showcase setting a project folder for your Java codes and will also execute a first Java code of printing a message on the screen. Let's begin. Today here I would be using Java Eclipse IDE for Java developers to run and execute our Java codes. You can also use this Java Eclipse IDE. So first of all, what I will do, I will create a Java project. Click on create a Java project and a dialog box will appear. Now here you have to name your project. So basically we are setting up our project folder and let us name it Java Basics. Java Basics. Okay. And here I am using Java Developer Kit version 8. Make sure you also use at least the 8th version or above than 8th version, and rest of the settings would be default. And let's finish it. And as you can see, our project folder has been set up. Now first of all, we will create a new package. Package is the collection of your classes that fall under same category. So every class that has the same basic functionality will fall under a specific package, and initially the name of package would be same as the name of the project. So let's finish and the settings would be default. So here it is, our first package, Java Basics. Now let us create our new class. Here we'll give the name of class hello, and just take on this public static void main function, as we need main function to execute our code successfully without any errors, and rest of the settings would be default. Let's finish it, and we have created our class name hello.java. All the editing and statement would be written in this class, and here it is. See the public static void main function. And yes, in Java you can write single line comments by making this double slash. Just write double slash and write whatever you need to write in comment. I'll remove this for now. Now let's run this empty code without any statements and see if there is any error or not. Let's be run. Okay, and see, there's nothing on the screen, but still the code is executed successfully. Now let's remove this main function for a while, and now we will try to run, and an error is displayed that main method not found in class. So we need this static void main function to execute our all code successfully without any error. So let's undo that. And now we will execute a first program of printing a message on the screen. For that, what you have to write, first you have to write system S capital dot out is for printing, then dot print line. Here print line will print the line that you would write in this brackets, and type your message here. For now I will type hello world, and see I have type. Now this will give me an error because see, semicolon isn't inserted at the end of the statement. So you need to insert semicolon always at the end of the statement so that your code executes successfully without any error. So let me insert that, and now I'll run, and at this time hello world is printed on my screen. We can customize this message. You can write anything here. Let me write my first Java code, and then you will run, and now it is printed my first Java code. So basically you can print anything with this line. So today we have learned how to set up our project folder, and how to create package in a class, and how to write something on screen or display message on the screen. So that's it for today. We will learn about variables and data types in our next video. So till then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for timely updates. Thank you.